Alright guys, hello. So it's on YT, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a day-night cycle, script. And yeah, before we begin, make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, and comment down below if you guys like it or not, or give me an idea, because I don't know what to make. So yeah, let's start. So in lighting, explore. You so press the plus button, add all of these things. Blur effect is optional, but yeah, to make the day-night cycle or graphics look a bit better, you don't have to, but yeah, my blur value is 3, by the way. You don't have to change any of these. So yeah, after you do that, let's insert a script that will, alright, so insert it into server script service. Okay, let's do it now. So let's make a loop, because we're gonna have this so it's gonna change the time every couple of milliseconds. So yeah. Alright, we're gonna wait 0.5. Wait 0.5 seconds, and alright, here we go. Game.workspace, not workspace, lighting. And then inside lighting, if you go to the properties, you see clock time. And that's what we want to change. Lighting, clock time equals game.lighting.clock time plus 0.5. Okay, let me test it a bit. Let's see if it works. If it gives me an error. And yeah. Alright, it actually works. That's a bit sped up. You can change the values a bit. Make it your liking. I see the moon. It actually looks really cool at nighttime. And you can see atmosphere. Yeah. So if you want to make it a bit slower, you can mess with the values a little bit. So what we're doing here is, this is a loop while true. We're accessing the lighting clock time, and we're adding 0.5 to it, which you can change the value a bit and the wait function, and it can make like a realistic clock cycle. So yeah, that's the video. Yeah, subscribe, turn on bell notification, and yeah, enjoy.